Welcome to the 2021 FEH HVAC Awards Ceremony. My name is Sean McMahon. I'm the Executive Principal at FEH BOCES, and I'm fortunate enough to get to hang out with all of our CTE students throughout the course of their 2 years on campus with us. I'd like to begin by saying how proud we are of all of you today. The last 2 years have been among the most challenging education has ever seen. You've navigated in-person, hybrid, remote instruction, and you've found very creative ways to collaborate and communicate with one another throughout this pandemic. Those skills and what you demonstrated during that time are going to prove very beneficial for you in the future. That resiliency and flexibility will one day make your employers very, very happy. So at this time, I'll turn the ceremony over to Mr. Joseph Harney for the issuing of your certificates.
Morning, everyone. Okay, we're going to start with the Attitude Award and the 2-year award certificate from Rushmore Central, Austin Frazier. Two-year completion award certificate from Malone Central, Aaron Garland. Two-year completion award certificate from Malone Central, Lance Holloway. Two-year completion award certificate from Rushmore Central, Brad Mersinger.
Never worry.
Never worry.
Never worry. Hey, get your arm away from your nose. Oh, here you go. Get your, hey, get him.
Here's an outstanding student who received the Leadership Award, the Most Skilled in the Trade Award, 2-year completion award certificate from Salmon River Central, Lane Oaks.
Put that real
Most Improved Student, 1-year award certificate from Rushmore Central, Stephen Rabideau. I met this young man a long time ago when my son and him used to play football together. He's going to get a 2-year completion award certificate from Malone Central, Wesley Taylor. Okay, Professional Excellence Award, 2-year completion award certificate from Malone Central, Real Prosper.
Riel was top in class with an 89 average over the year. So we'd also like to. One of the things I like about the contractors. One thing I like about the contractors and what the people that deal with all the supplies that supply us with our refrigerants and all our supplies is they like to put together gift bags. So each student was able to have a gift bag that was actually presented from Smith Lumber, FW Webb in Plattsburgh, and Howland Pump and Hobart Supply. So really, I'd like to thank them all. Mr. Schoen in Fort Covington just took over Smith Lumber. and he really was instrumental in putting that gift bag together. Thank you all, and have a good year and a good life, students. I'm gonna miss you.
So as you move forward from this point today, please know that so many people are excited to see what you'll become, and this is because so many people believe and are invested in you. Please don't be a stranger, and remember that our support does not end today just because you walked across the stage and shook our hand. We're here to help you for as long as you need us. If you need a reference, if you need advice, if you need someone to talk to. Both gentlemen on my left and right, I know everyone around. Miss St. Anne, we're here to help you for all the years that lay ahead. So don't be a stranger. Come back. Let us know how well you're doing. And finally, for everyone in our BOCES family, congratulations.